You're not losing at life because you're dumb, ugly, or born with the bad luck of a T-Rex with tiny arms. You're losing because no one handed you the brutal manual of adult life, the one that separates those who move forward from those stuck, staring at their phones, hoping for a notification to save them. Now, if you're tired of living in tutorial mode, sit down and pay attention. But first, subscribe to the channel. Don't go extinct. 33. No one owes you anything. You've been misled. You thought the world owed you happiness, respect, and a free frappuccino just for existing. Nobody's here to heal your trauma or clap for your drama. Want a cuddle? Be a pillow. Life demands backbone. 32. People put themselves first. It's not selfishness. It's survival instinct. If you want help, be worth helping. The equation is simple. What's in it for me solves more than pretty please. 31. Self-pity paralyzes you. Complaining is like swimming in emotional quicksand. The more you flail, the deeper you sink. Need comfort? Buy a blanket. The world respects action, not whining. 30. You waste time like it's unlimited. Time is your most valuable asset. Yet you spend it playing Candy Crush and watching random dance videos. Then you complain life's going nowhere with your GPS turned off. 29. Confidence isn't born, it's built, waiting to feel secure before taking action. You'll die waiting. Confidence comes after action, not before. Move. Fear doesn't pay rent. 28. Motivation fades. Discipline sticks. Some days you'll want to quit existing altogether. That's when discipline kicks in. Motivation is that hyped-up friend who disappears when things get tough. Discipline is the one who keeps you in the ring. 27. Waiting to be ready is self-deception. This idea that you need to be 100% prepared is just an excuse to never start. Winners begin before they feel ready. Everyone else becomes a statistic. 26. Your thoughts aren't facts, your mind lies. It tells you you're not enough, that it'll fail, that no one cares. It just repeats what you've gotten used to hearing. Stop believing everything you think. There's a lot of garbage disguised as wisdom up there. 25. They'll judge your fall in silence. So what do? Win anyway. Give them a reason to grind their teeth. Don't aim to please. Get results. That's how you silence the invisible audience. 24. Charisma beats credentials. You could have a diploma from NASA, but if you can't connect with people, you'll stay stuck. People like people, not papers hanging on a wall. 23. Saying yes to everything makes you a doormat. Wonder why no one respects you? Because you're always available. You never set boundaries. Want to be valued? Start saying no like someone who owes no explanations. 22. Truth hurts, lies cost. Truth might push people away, sure, but lies trap you in a fake life. Pick your pain, being real or living to please. 21. Always being available lowers your value. Want respect? Disappear sometimes. Too much presence becomes background noise, and nobody admires what's always there. 20. Talking about goals gives a fake sense of progress. Sharing your dreams feels like achieving something, but it's not. While you talk, someone else is quietly doing, and they'll get there first. 19. Achievement is boring. It's repetition, consistency. Doing what needs to be done when no one's watching. If you only act when you're hyped, you'll always be a side character in your own story. 18. Overthinking is just fear in disguise. You think you're being deep? You're just avoiding action. The more you overanalyze, the less you move, and guess who gets left behind? 17. Talent without practice is waste. You might be a hidden genius, but if you're not putting it to work, you'll end up a footnote. The world belongs to doers, not daydreamers. 16. The comfort zone is a disguised graveyard. Too cozy? Then start designing your mental tombstone. Growth requires discomfort. Staying where it's easy is just dying slowly. 15. No one claps for effort. What does the world value? Results, not rough drafts. Work in silence. Win loudly. Nobody cares about almost. 14. Rejection is a filter, not a sentence. Life says no to show you where you don't belong. Don't see it as failure, see it as cleanup. 13. Success reveals more masks than failure. When you're down, people pat you on the back. But once you rise, here comes the jealousy dressed up as constructive criticism. Love those who cheer for your wins. The rest, just background characters. 12. Not everything deserves a reaction. Not every provocation deserves a stage. Some people just want to throw you off to watch you stoop to their level. Don't take the bait. 11. Freedom is owning your time. If your day is a series of endless tasks you didn't choose, you're just a modern-day slave with Wi-Fi. Being busy isn't a flex. Sometimes it just means you're lost. 10. Your brain consumes what you feed it. If all you give it is gossip, endless scrolling and drama, what do you expect it to produce? Clarity? Wisdom? Not even an Instagram filter can save rotten thinking. 9. Emotions are signals, not commands. Feel anger, fear, insecurity, fine, but you don't have to obey. You're not a puppet to your feelings. You're the driver of this whole mess. 8. If it's not a hell yes, it's a no, period. Stop keeping lukewarm people in your life. Weak ties hold you back with loose knots, then blame you when it all falls apart. 7. Your looks will change. Your self-control doesn't have to. You can use creams, hit the gym, and reshape your face until you look like an avatar. But if you can't control your actions, you're still stuck in the same place. Invest in what outlasts time. Beauty wins mirrors. Discipline wins life. 6. Comfort is draining you. You're not tired because you do too much. You're tired from running away from what matters. Constant comfort wears you out. It's like eating candy all day, then complaining about emotional diabetes. 5. Energy suckers hold you back. And you know who they are, the ones who drain you with drama, demands, gossip, and negativity. No need to explain your exit. Just walk. Your energy is worth more than someone else's guilt trip. 4. Laziness is robbing your future. It shows up soft, disguised as well-earned rest, but slowly numbs you until you believe effort's not needed. Meanwhile, your future is starving, waiting for you to act. 3. You teach people how to treat you. Accept disrespect once. You've signed an unspoken contract. Yelling, "Respect me," won't work if you don't take yourself seriously first. 2. Many people live the same year 70 times. They call it stability, but it's just pointless repetition. The comfort zone became a life sentence, and you don't need bars, just fear. 1. Growth hurts. Staying stuck hurts more. Letting go of what no longer serves you is painful, but clinging to it is a slow death. You choose the pain of cutting ties or the pain of rotting. That's it. If you made it this far, congrats. Not because you tried, but because you faced truths most people run from. This wasn't a feel-good self-help video. This was a gut punch labeled, "Wake up before it's too late." Now you've got a choice. Apply it or ignore it. Grow or keep running in circles. The world won't wait for you to feel ready. And hesitation, that's just a signed contract with regret. If this bothered you, you probably needed it. If it woke you up, great. If it hurt, even better. Now hit that subscribe button before the world ends.